no matter how much fishing gear you have, or the type of gear you have, at the end of the day, you got to learn how to tie a knot. Okay, because all that gear, fly rods, fly reels, leaders, lures, top waters, whatever, spoons, jigs, all kinds of stuff, terminal tackle, it doesn't make a difference if your knot doesn't hold. So today, we're going to really look at the top 3 knots that you need to know. And right here is the Palomar knot. So we can zoom in a little bit and we can kind of see what it says. It's used in place of the clinch knot for tackle connection. So we're going to do that one today, and we're going to practice that on a swivel, just a random swivel that I took out of my gearbox. And today to tie, just because I use all my leaders of fluorocarbon, so today to tie, we're going to use a 20-pound fluorocarbon leader material for these knots. And the other tool it will be using today just for trimming is going to be a pair of Bubba line cutting scissors. I take these with me all the time. It has a nice little lanyard, goes around your neck. So when you're fishing, it's always right there. So for our first knot, we're going to demonstrate the Palomar knot. It's one of the strongest knots that you could ever tie. And it's pretty simple. One, you double about 4 inches of the line and pass it through the loop eye of the terminal tackle. Second step is you just tie a simple overhand knot in the doubled line. The third is you pull the loop over the hook. And the fourth one is we just pull both ends to tighten, clip the excess, and close that knot. And then you have it, folks. So we're going to be using a 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, which is my usual go-to leader. Sometimes I use 30, depending on what I'm doing. So we're going to just take this piece of leader, okay, and so we're going to double the loop, double the end line, right? We're going to pass the loop that we made through the eye of the terminal tackle as such. Then we're going to make a simple overhanded knot like that, bring that over, and then we're going to slip the snap and the swivel, or any terminal tackle you're using, through the eye there, through the loop that we made, pull that tight, and now you have what many consider the world's strongest knot, the Palomar. And then we're just going to clip the tag here with the scissors, and now we have a Palomar knot. And we can zoom in here, hopefully, and really see that. Okay, so here we have the Palomar knot really zoomed in. All right, very good. The next knot in our repertoire, which is critically important, and it's a go-to knot for just about every circumstance that you could come up with, is the improved clinch knot. It is perfect for tackle connections with light lines. There's 3 easy steps to the improved clinch. One, you pass the line through the eye, you double back and make 5 wraps around the lead line. Second is you thread the end through the first loop above the eye and then through the big loop. And then the third one is you'll hold the ends and lead line while pulling the coils tight and slide against the eye. And we're going to demonstrate that now. So to demonstrate the improved clinch, we're going to use a lure without any hooks on it. It just makes it a little easier while I'm demonstrating on the video. But obviously the technique is the same. So we run the line, the tag end of the leader through the loop. Okay, run that a little bit like that. There's many different ways of doing it. I'm just going to pinch here, do about 6 or 7 twirls around the tag end, around the main leader line. Get that through. Let's see here, maybe one more time for good luck. All right, we get that through there. Okay, now we take the tag end, pass that through the big loop, the first loop that's right here. All right, pass that through like such. And then we take the tag line and pass it through the other loop, just like such. Usually I use my teeth to get this part done, but we're gonna just do this and kind of tighten here. And now we have an improved clinch knot. And we're going to clean this tag end with the scissors. Got that. And now we can see here the improved clinch knot. Let me get that focused in the zoom. And there we go. So we have an improved clinch knot that's going to hold the lure to the leader. All right. So the next knot we're going to demonstrate is going to be tying a braid mainline, this is what I mostly fish with, to a 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, which is what I mostly use. So this is the Albright knot that's going to help you merge or tie fluorocarbon to braid. All right, so let's do this. So the first thing we need to do is with the leader, make a loop. Okay, we're going to make a loop. We're going to pinch this end. Okay, so we have the loop here. End is pinched. Now we're going to take the braid, if I can get it. I'm going to take the tag end of the braid that is actually connected to your fishing reel. We're going to put that through here and pull about, let me get that on my thumb, and then pull about 10 inches of that line through. Okay, pinch this here, so this is all nice and pinched. And then we're going to wrap the line back around itself and the leader. Okay, so we're here, and now we're going to wrap this line back around itself and the leader. Okay, we can get this going here, do this really nice and tight. Okay, with the tag end. So this is going back and around the loop that we made in the fluoro, as well as in the main line of the braid. Okay, so we got this here. It's about 7 or 8. Another one, and I just lost the tag. Okay, here we go. We'll do one more with the tag end. Get that nice and clean. One more with the tag end, get that nice and clean around that main line. Okay, now pinching this. And again, it's a lot easier when you're not trying to do this on camera and have everything in focus at arm's length. Then we take the tag line here, pass it back through the loop. Okay, once that's passed through the loop, we grab all of the ends. And there we have the Albright knot connecting braid to leader. Okay, we can zoom in on the knot here. Where did the knot go? Here's the knot. We can zoom in on the knot, and this shall pass through most eye tips. Okay, it's a good idea not to do it, but it will pass through most on spinning. So let's just now cut the tag ends here. Okay, here's the tag end of the leader. Get the scissors. We're going to snip this baby. And then we're going to find the tag end of the braid and snip this baby. And don't snip the main line. I have done that more than once. All right, and then you got to start this knot all over again, and that really sucks if the fish are biting. All right, so here is the Albright. There we go. Perfect. This knot is not going anywhere. Well, there you go. There are your three critical knots for fishing, for your go-to kit. And just to review, the Palomar knot for terminal tackle, one of the strongest knots ever. Number two is the improved clinch knot, which is great for tying directly to lures, even flies for that matter. And the third one that we did and we demonstrated was the Albright Special, which is connecting braid to fluoro or mono leader. And there you go. Leave any questions or comments you have in the comments, and I'll get back to you.